Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're back for another video, then welcome back. So today I am going to be recreating a look that I saw online that I absolutely fell in love with. It is a burgundy deep red eye with a matching burgundy lip. Now I always hear this thing that says dark girls cannot wear red lipstick, but honey, I'm here to slay. You can definitely rock a good red lipstick. So if you guys want to see how I accomplished this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, as always, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids, and I am going to be using the NYX concealer, and I'm going to put that all over my lids because you never want to put eyeshadow directly on your eyelids without a concealer. Reason being, the foundation is not going to stick and the colors won't pop. Next, I'm going to be using some neutral colors and putting them all over my eye, and those are going to be my transition colors. I'm using a wide fluffy brush because these colors are close to my skin tone, so it doesn't really have to be that precise, so I kind of just go a little crazy with it, and I just use those light colors and put them all over my eyelid. And as you can see, I'm taking my time and just blending it out. Next, I am taking another brush, more of a flat control brush, and I'm going to be mixing the red and the orange colors, and I'm just going to be building on those colors so that I can get to my red shade. I don't directly jump to my red shade. I like to put my oranges and my red for this look and just take my time with it. So here I am just blending away, doing the orange first. And as you guys can also see, when it comes to this technique in bright colors, you never want to use a wide fluffy brush because then that orange is just going to go everywhere. Next, I pulled a dark brown color, and I'm only using that on the outer third of my eye. So what that does is create dimension. As you can see, I am not putting that brown color everywhere. I'm just focusing on the outer edge of my eye. So that'll just give you a nice shadow, and it just looks really pretty, so it doesn't look like just one solid color. So I'm doing that on the other eye as well, putting in that chocolate color just on the outer crease of my eye. And once again, I am taking my time blending. Next, I'm going to go back with that orange shade just so I can add a little bit more color. The brown kind of got into it, and I want to bring that orange back. So once again, flat brush, orange. Next, I took a shimmer red burgundy color, and I didn't like how it looked at first, so I actually sprayed it with some setting powder, and that took the eyeshadow to the next level. So that is what I'm doing here, and as you guys can see, it is very pigmented. I'm not a fan of that whole cut crease thing, so this is my version of doing a cut crease sparkle, and I feel like it kind of gives you a better look, and it's not so Instagram makeup. This looks absolutely beautiful in person. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. The first thing I always do is say a little quick prayer. Please God, make this come out good. Please God, make this come out good. And today was a good day because my eyeliner and my wing came out just as I wanted. Not too thick, not too thin, not at a weird angle. And I was just so happy. You can't really tell, but I was so happy. Next, I did my other eye, and oh my God, it came out perfect again. This is like a miracle. So once again, I am just gonna fill those in. So the only thing I did off camera is put on my lashes because I'm not that great at it, and it would have been extra long and crazy. Now I'm going to be putting my foundation, and the one that I'm using is by Laura Mercier. Next, this is a concealer by ColourPop. And all these products are going to be listed down below if you guys are interested. So I'm just going to be blending that out, taking my time, and just blending it out. As you guys can see, I did use the same brush for my foundation and my concealer. Sometimes I do that when I don't feel like using a beauty blender, and I find that it gives me a more natural finish because it still has some of that other product from my foundation on there, so it's not such a stark contrast. Because like I said, I don't do Instagram makeup. This is how I actually wear my makeup to go out, and I want it to look nice. I don't want it to look crazy, and I don't want it to look just OD. Next, I'm going in with my setting powder This one is my Laura Mercier, my holy grail. I love this thing, and I'm just putting it all over my face, and it just gives me a very nice natural finish, and I feel like it just kind of puts everything together. Next, I'm contouring, and this is a color by MAC, which I will list down below, and the brush as well, and I'm just putting this all over my face just to bring back some dimension, because when you just do concealer, sometimes your face looks flat. Next, I'm going to put some highlighter. I'm not a big fan of like bright highlighter in person, so I always do my highlighter all over my face, and then I actually go back with my brush and I will just mute it just a little bit. Next, I'm lining my lips with this NYX pencil, and then I will be putting on my bright red lipstick from Huda Beauty, also listed down below. So at this point of this video, I was semi-happy with the look until I remembered I forgot to do the bottom part of my lash line. Completely forgot, and I always do that because I have small eyes, so I always like to play up the bottom of my eyes, and that just makes them look bigger. So what I did, I went back in with that burgundy color I used on my cheeks as a contour color, and I put it under my lash line. And that is what I'm doing there. And I just feel like that opens up my eye more because I have really small eyes. I have big lips and small eyes, so I like to play out my eyes and even them out. Then I'm going in with a black eyeliner. Today I just used the liquid because I could not find my black eye pencil. And then I decided I wanted that sparkle color to just be a little bit more sparkly. And I put some on my inner tear duct just to make my eyes look bigger. Next, I just went in with some mascara on my bottom lashes just to complete the look and focus on my eyes. Setting spray time, so you know what that means. This video is over. We did it. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. That is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. So I have an announcement to make. Drum roll. I'm actually going to be doing more makeup tutorials. Yay! So for those who know me, you know that nursing is my first love, but I am also obsessed with makeup. I am obsessed with fashion. I am obsessed with all things girly. So as part of this being my YouTube page and being all things that I love, I am going to be creating a new series called Makeup Mondays. So every Monday, I'm going to be uploading a new makeup look, and this is the kickoff look. So if you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. By subscribing to my channel, you will get notifications every time I post up a new video. It'll pop up on your feed, and that way you won't miss one. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you join my Busy Bee family. Yes, that is what I am calling us, guys. We are the Busy Bees, hence my bright yellow background, hence my bee earrings. We are the Busy Bees. So yes, guys. I hope to see you at the next one, and I hope you enjoyed this one as well. Bye! I'll lick my finger.